back to another video. And today I'm here with my friend.
Me, Helena.
And I play Wolf's Life Beta. You know I play Wolf's Life, Dragon's Life Alpha. Well, today I play Wolf's Life Beta, and my friend is here with me.
Alright.
Okay. So, I just got back from church.
Oh my God.
So,
and I just hit my head.
and she just hit her head. Let your inner wolf out. Okay, guys, you heard that. Let your inner wolf out. If you, someone just texted me and said, "Hey, Ashlyn," from Roblox, but, it's okay, guys. I don't know who they are, because I've never friended them on Roblox, but.
I'm checking the comments now.
Okay, she's gonna look at my comments on my videos and see if anybody, has commented on my videos. Comment down below what game you like better, Dragon Life Alpha or Wolf Life Beta. Well, look, there's a little sleeping bag. Is that a sleeping bag? I think it is. Well, no, it's just a rock, and you can turn this off and on. I learned that in my my dragon video. By the way, comment down below how to run, you guys, because I don't know how to run. So just comment down below that, right, Helena?
Yeah. I'm checking every single one of your videos to see if there's any comments.
It's probably not. Nobody comments on my videos, so you guys need to subscribe to me and hit that notification button to see all my new videos.
Yeah, and literally, you gotta comment.
Yeah, you gotta comment down below. Because every video I say for y'all to comment something, y'all never do. Okay.
Literally, so far, I've looked through every single one. Well, not every single one, like half of them, and there's literally, I say literally, no comments.
Well, I had to reset my character because I was stuck. I'll be a juvenile this time.
Oh my gosh, people, you gotta start commenting.
I know, right?
Yeah. Plus, you gotta start subscribing to her, because I'm her only subscriber.
Yeah, I only have one subscriber, you guys. And you need to like this video and hit that notification button so you see when my next video comes on. Because I post daily. And most of my videos I'm with Helena. So if you like Helena, make sure to comment down below. You love her. And shout out to everybody who's watching that. And shout out to everybody who comments what you like about Helena.
There's no comments so far.
Yeah, no comments. So you need to do some comments, okay?
There's no comments yet.
Yeah, on any of my videos. So you need to start commenting.
Yeah, it's kind of something. Oh, and by the way, guys, you might not see me much on, like Thursdays, I don't think. Like, some days you might not see me on Thursdays, because sometimes I have Cub Scouts. Maybe on the weekends, too.
But sometimes you might be on Thursdays because you might do it at nighttime. We might can record a video at nighttime when you get back. Yeah. If you're not, stay the night.
Also, next Thursday, I actually can because my mom's just going to a meeting. I might actually could if I have internet there and if my phone's charged.
Ooh, food.
Don't know what I can do, but I'll try my best.
Yeah. Guys, comment down below if you can eat food on here, because there's a lot of food right here, but I can't eat it. So comment down below that. Remember, comment down below.
You guys tell us if you guys are in Cub Scouts, because I might know you then.
Yeah, and comment down below if you like Wolf's Life better or Dragon's Life.
Yeah. I think I like Dragon Life better.
And comment down below if you, comment down below your username and I'll friend you. But you can try to friend me first. I'm Ashlyn Katsia. In case you don't know how to spell it, I'll type it right here. Ashlyn Katsia. So this is how you spell it, you guys. Yeah. This is Emily's then. Shout out to Emily. 4E. Emily 33. Shout out to her.
Hey, Sammy, I could be your like kind of half editor, kind of not half editor.
Yeah,
Like I could
guys.
give shout outs if you wanted to.
Yeah. So, guys, she might be able to come to my house soon. So,
And I could probably be her editor.
yeah, and
Even
she
though I
can.
know a little bit.
And sometimes she can try whenever she does come to my house. She can, you know, we can try to have fun with each other.
And I could try to edit.
Yeah, and we can both be in a video.
Yeah, and it would be more clear because I'm on FaceTime with her, and like FaceTime not that good whenever you're talking like far, far away.
Yeah.
We're not too far apart, but we're pretty far apart.
Because I'm in Jackson and you're in.
I'm in Dyersburg.
Yeah, she's in Dyersburg right now. Get out, Midnight.
Oh my God.
This girl's telling me to get out.
Sammy, I'm gonna have to hang up on you real fast because I have poor connection.
You can still hear me,
Oh,
can't you?
no, I don't.
Okay, guys,
Never
sorry about
mind.
that. I'm so sorry. I'll go. These people want me to go. So, guys, I think we'll end it here. We just wanted to say hi to y'all this morning. Well, it's actually not morning anymore, but
It's like lunchtime because my grandma's getting me lunch and everything.
yeah. So you better go eat some lunch. You're not watching our videos right now, so go check us out. My other videos, and make sure to leave a
Look
comment.
at your very cool videos. Go eat lunch, okay? Or get some popcorn after you eat lunch and watch this video.
So we miss you guys so much, and we hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll see you guys. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.
Make sure to subscribe.